Meaningful strategies that can reform the lives of street children. Street children are habitually depicted in a purely negative manner, often described as indigent, penurious, and impecunious individuals who roam the streets in search of a livelihood. Many street children are denied basic human rights, including proper access to social and health services, the need for education, and protection against exploitation. Their world is demoralizing, disheartening, disenchanting, and their future appears formidable and arduous as they are frequently rejected, scorned, and despised by society. However, it's important to recognize that they are normal human beings who, due to challenging circumstances, find themselves homeless. Identifying a singular reason for their homelessness is complex. On the other hand, the majority of educators firmly believe that fostering inclusive education is obligatory. This review mainly focuses on analyzing the strategies that can reform the lives of street children. This paper does not cast aspersions but seeks to ascertain whether some of these children can be rehabilitated through inclusive education. Inclusion entails all children studying in the same classrooms and being provided with learning opportunities to enhance their abilities. All the information was obtained through current studies, methodical review, and meta-analysis, supplemented by secondary sources from the Internet spanning from September 2023 to January 2024. This non-empirical research employed careful investigation and analysis techniques, including text criticism, critical examination of biographical studies, and narrative analysis. Street children are often stigmatized, labeled, and discriminated against, which severely hinders the rehabilitation process. Although inclusion is a lifelong and challenging process, it is instructional and edifying, and it may potentially rehabilitate street children. This research reveals that rehabilitating street children is extremely complex and seemingly impossible. Nevertheless, some children may desire a different lifestyle, offering hope and optimism for rehabilitation efforts. Therefore, concrete, holistic, and meaningful efforts must be made to properly confront homelessness, affording these children ample care, protection, education, and opportunities for a better future. Government institutions, stakeholders, non-governmental organizations, and all individuals committed to the well-being of children should actively engage in meaningful and consistent dialogue to promote collaborative, effective, and sustainable support systems. Introduction. Street children are a growing global issue, largely driven by factors like poverty, war, family breakdowns, and urbanization. These children, who live and work on the streets, are often marginalized and face severe discrimination. Estimates suggest that over 100 million children around the world are living on urban streets, but the situation varies by region. Many people believe that street children can be reintegrated into society, but the stigma and prejudice they face make this a difficult task. They are often treated as outcasts, and the negative perceptions surrounding them create significant barriers to their reintegration. This paper emphasizes the importance of inclusive education as a key tool for helping street children rebuild their lives. Inclusive education aims to integrate all children, including those from marginalized groups, into regular educational settings. Although it can be a challenging process, educators, policymakers, and society as a whole must work together to ensure that street children have access to education and are treated with dignity and respect. The paper also explores how inclusive education can potentially help rehabilitate these children, remove some of the stigma they face, and provide a pathway to a better future. Ultimately, it highlights the need for everyone to play a role in combating prejudice and supporting the reintegration of street children into society. Conclusion. Rehabilitating street children is possible, but it is a difficult and complex process. These children face deep stigma and discrimination, making their reintegration into society challenging. Despite these obstacles, they hold great potential for the future and could play a significant role in building a better world. This research emphasizes that while rehabilitation is not an easy or quick task, it is crucial for society to recognize the need for action. Governments, organizations, and communities must work together to support and invest in the rehabilitation of street children for the betterment of all. This important article is authored by the following scientists: